This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Ed Rector less than bedroom greater than BRE number 01013957, LIC number 01715867. Great vacation cabin. This home is a 3-bedroom 2-bath home with a nice level lot. Currently it has been used as an Air BNB, so there are many options. The home features an open floor plan with a living room and family room. Close to Dodge Ridge and Pinecrest. Come see this home today. For more information, review the details below.